Hello everyone, Sia here on Mobile Munch. Today, we are diving into the world of budget-friendly phones with the Realme C65 5G. This phone promises smooth performance, a large display, and 5G connectivity at an attractive price point. Let's see if it delivers. Realme C65 5G's big display and speedy performance for everyday use. The Realme C65 5G boasts a large 6.67-inch IPS LCD display with a 120Hz refresh rate. This display offers a smooth and responsive experience, perfect for everyday tasks like browsing the web, watching videos, and gaming. The display gets reasonably bright at 500 nits, but might struggle a bit in direct sunlight. The phone is powered by the MediaTek Dimensity 6300 processor, which when paired with 4GB or 6GB of RAM, should provide smooth performance for everyday tasks and light gaming. With 64GB or 128GB of storage, you'll have enough space for your essential apps, photos, and videos. There's also a microSD card slot for expandable storage, a feature that's becoming increasingly rare in budget phones. 5G connectivity, a future-proof option. One of the biggest highlights of the Realme C65 5G is its support for 5G connectivity. This allows you to experience blazing fast download and upload speeds, making it a future-proof option for users who want to stay ahead of the curve. With 5G, you can download movies in seconds, stream high-quality video without buffering, and enjoy ultra-fast online gaming. Camera system captures everyday moments. The Realme C65 5G features a simple camera system with a single 50MP rear sensor and an 8-megapixels front-facing camera. While it won't win any photography awards, the rear sensor should capture decent photos in good lighting conditions. The front-facing camera is suitable for video calls and casual selfies. Built to last on a budget. The Realme C65 5G comes in a plastic build that feels solid in hand. It also boasts an IP54 dust and splash resistance rating, meaning it can withstand light splashes and dust. A side-mounted fingerprint sensor provides convenient security. The 5000 mAh battery should offer all-day battery life on a single charge for moderate users. The 15W charging isn't the fastest, but it will get you back up and running in a decent amount of time. A budget-friendly 5G contender. The Realme C65 5G is a compelling option for users looking for a large display, smooth performance, and 5G connectivity at an affordable price. The phone excels in offering a future-proof experience with 5G and expandable storage, features often missing in budget phones. However, the display might not be the brightest, and the camera system is rather basic. So, that's our look at the Realme C65 5G. Is 5G connectivity important to you in a phone? What features do you prioritize when looking for a budget phone? Let me know in the comments below what you think of the Realme C65 5G. And don't forget to like and subscribe to Mobile Munch for more tech reviews.